Welcome back to the Consumer Decision Making Lecture Series. In this video, we discuss influences on consumer decisions. There are different types of influences that can influence your consumer decision-making process. We can say that a person's buying decisions can be influenced by various factors. These include situational factors, personal factors, and psychological factors. Let's start with situational factors. Situational factors are the conditions or circumstances that affect the consumer decision-making process at the time of purchase. One situational factor is the buying task. The buying task includes the level of involvement and product or brand familiarity. So, as we've discussed before, your level of involvement is going to impact how much time and effort you spend searching for information. If I'm buying a pair of jeans from American Eagle, my level of involvement might be moderate. I know I need jeans, but I'm not spending months researching them like I would for a car or a house. My product and brand familiarity also matters. If I've worn American Eagle jeans before, and I know they fit me well, I'm already familiar with the brand. So I might skip some of the information search steps because I already know what to expect from the product. Another situational factor is market offerings. Market offerings refer to the available products in the market. When I'm looking to buy jeans, what brands are available to me? What styles are available? If I go to the mall, I might see American Eagle, Hollister, Aeropostale, Gap, and many others. The products that are available in the market at the time I'm going shopping are going to influence my decision. If American Eagle is having a sale, or they just released a new style that I like, those market offerings are going to influence my purchase decision. Now, let's look at personal factors. Personal factors are characteristics that are unique to each individual consumer. First, we have demographics. Demographics include things like age, gender, income level, education level, and marital status. If I'm a college student, my demographics are going to be different than someone who's 45 years old and married with children. My age and income level are going to influence what jeans I can afford to buy. If I'm a college student with limited income, I might wait for American Eagle to have a sale before I purchase. If I have a higher income, I might be willing to pay full price or even shop at more expensive brands. Gender also plays a role. American Eagle offers different styles and fits for men and women. So my gender is going to influence which products I'm looking at in the first place. We also have life stage. Life stage refers to where you are in your life. Are you in childhood, college, getting married, buying a house, sending kids to college, etc.? A college student's life stage is very different from someone who is retired. If I'm in college, I might be more concerned about buying jeans that are trendy and fashionable because I want to fit in with my friends. If I'm a parent buying jeans for my teenager, I might be more focused on durability and value because I know my teenager is going to grow out of them or wear them out quickly. So your life stage is going to influence what you're looking for in a product and how you make your purchase decision. Continuing with personal factors, we have lifestyle. Lifestyle refers to how you spend your free time and where you spend your money. It includes your activities, interests, and opinions. If I'm someone who is very active and athletic, I might prefer American Eagle's more casual, comfortable styles that I can wear to class and then the gym. If I'm someone who is more fashion forward and likes to dress up, I might prefer their more trendy styles. My lifestyle also influences where I spend my money. If I spend a lot of my free time shopping and keeping up with fashion trends, I'm more likely to buy jeans frequently and try new styles. If I'm someone who spends my free time and money on other hobbies, I might only buy jeans when I absolutely need them. We also have personality. Personality refers to the traits that make you unique. There are different personality frameworks, like the 16 personalities test, that categorize people into different personality types. Your personality is going to influence what you're drawn to and what you avoid. If I have a more adventurous personality, I might be drawn to bolder styles or new trends from American Eagle. If I have a more conservative personality, I might stick with classic styles that I know work for me. Some people are brand loyal and will always buy from American Eagle because they trust the brand. Other people like to try new things and will shop around at different stores. Your personality traits will influence your purchasing behavior. Now let's move into psychological factors. Psychological factors are internal mental processes that influence consumer behavior. First, we have motivation. Motivation means that consumers must be motivated to take action. If I'm not motivated to buy new jeans, I'm not going to make a purchase. So what motivates me to buy American Eagle jeans? Maybe my old jeans ripped, or they no longer fit me. That's a functional motivation. Or maybe I saw someone wearing a pair of American Eagle jeans that looked really good. And now I'm motivated to buy them so I can look good too. That's a social motivation. Or maybe I just want something new and different. That's a motivation for change. Without motivation, there's no action. Marketers try to create motivation through advertising, sales, and new product launches to get consumers to take action and make a purchase. We also have learning and socialization. This refers to experiential and non-experiential learning. Learning is validated through reward and punishment. So, experiential learning is when you learn through your own experience. If I buy a pair of American Eagle jeans and I love them, I've learned through experience that American Eagle makes good jeans. That positive experience is a reward, and it increases the likelihood that I'll buy from American Eagle again in the future. Non-experiential learning is when you learn through observing others. If I see my friends wearing American Eagle jeans and they look great, I might learn that American Eagle is a good brand without having to buy them myself first. If I have a negative experience, like if the jeans fall apart after one wash, that's a punishment. That negative experience means I've learned that American Eagle doesn't make quality products, and I'm less likely to buy from them again. Lastly, we have attitudes and beliefs. Attitudes and beliefs can be positive, neutral, or negative. A belief is accepting something as true. I might believe that American Eagle jeans are high quality. I might believe that American Eagle jeans are affordable. I might believe that American Eagle jeans are trendy. These beliefs are what I accept as true about the brand and the product. An attitude is a favorable or unfavorable evaluation. Based on my beliefs, I develop an attitude toward American Eagle. If I believe that American Eagle jeans are high quality, affordable, and trendy, I'm going to have a positive attitude toward the brand. If I believe that American Eagle jeans are overpriced or poor quality, I'm going to have a negative attitude toward the brand. My attitude toward American Eagle is going to influence whether I shop there or not. As we can see, attitudes and beliefs work together. My beliefs about a product or brand shape my attitude, and my attitude influences my behavior. If I have a positive attitude toward American Eagle, I'm more likely to shop there and make a purchase. If I have a negative attitude, I'm going to avoid the brand and shop elsewhere.